you grab another plain glass of water, let me ask you this. What if I told you there's a simple way to turn it into a spa-like experience that not only keeps you refreshed, but it also gives your skin that irresistible glow? Stick around because you are about to unlock the secret to hydration with style. Welcome back, beauties, and thanks for coming back. Today we are diving into a refreshing topic that's perfect for keeping you hydrated and glowing from inside out. Cucumber-infused water is a powerhouse of hydration and nutrients. We all know cucumbers are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help improve your skin health and overall well-being. Plus, it's a delicious way to increase your water intake. Making cucumber-infused water is super simple. Here is what you need: a fresh cucumber, a jug of water, or your water bottle, or a bowl of water, or just anything that can help you store some good quantity of water that you can drink for a day or two. You might add a squeeze or slices of lemon with some mint leaves to give it an extra zing. Start by slicing the cucumber thinly, then add the slices to your jug of water. And if you're feeling fancy, like I said earlier, throw in some mint leaves and lemon slices. Let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour to let the flavors infuse. Drinking this cucumber water can help you with detoxification, weight loss, and even increase your skin's appearance. It's a natural way to flush out toxins and keep your body hydrated, which is essential for maintaining that youthful glow we all love. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your cucumber water. Always use fresh cucumbers for the best flavor. You can also experiment with other fruits like strawberries and oranges for a different twist. And remember, the longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give cucumber-infused water a try. And let me know how it transforms your hydration game. Share your favorite variations in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on my beauty, skincare, and lifestyle tips. Let's stay beautiful and hydrated together. Bye!